Big brim. Oh, grunter. Nice grunter.
Oh, grunter.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice fish.
Is he big enough?
Yeah.
Excellent.
They're lovely.
Having grunter for dinner.
They're lovely fish. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah. Very nice.
How'd he cook them?
Oh, just fillets and pan fry. Like nice fillets. Yeah, some good fish here. Staying down lower. Oh, please be a whiting. Yes, it's a whiting.
Beautiful.
Yes. It was. Oh, it's a whiting.
A whiting?
Yeah.
Oh.
Beautiful. The whiting are on the chew.
I think they're,
Oh yeah, whiting. That's the ticket.
that's what we're talking
And the
about.
hook just fell out. Still got your bait. Yeah. That's what we want. It's gonna be. It looks silvery. Looks gruntery. Good. Nice grunter.
Grunter?
Yeah. They're real good fighters, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're lovely. Great fish.
Grunting it is.
First.
Vigorous for it when it's flatty.
Yeah, maybe.
Stuff to slow down.
Maybe it's something else. I don't know. Little flatty.
Little flat. Big flatty.
Not bad. Yeah. Just not fighting a lot.
There we go.
Yeah, he's all right.
Oh, God.
Flatty. Nice.
There we go.
On the Rapala Crush City, eh?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We can release him.
Something woke up finally.
Yeah.
Now I'll just grab him out of there.
We can
Grab him
release
with the rag. Yeah.
Well done.
Very spiky.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
I've yet to find something that really deals with them.
Yeah.
Other
Oh,
than
yeah.
just a really
That's
thick
it.
rag.
I know. I've finally learned my lesson after years and years of trying to grab them, thinking they'll behave. No,
No.
they will get you.
Yeah.
They are not well behaved. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. There we go.
See
That
if
would have
there's
been
more.
a keeper otherwise.
Yeah. You'll be over 40, I reckon, or flatty. Just go slowly when he comes close, because it's only a 6-pound line, that main line. Slowly now. Let him run. Let him run. Don't force him. Just go easy. Go real easy. It's a nice fish. Go easy. There, go easy. Don't touch the drag. Let them run. It's going to be interesting to see what colour this is.
Yeah, I don't know what he is.
I'm going to say dewy.
I'd say it's going to be
Yeah, it could be.
some sizable fish anyway.
Yeah. If it's silver, we'll know.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It is a little dewy, is it? Yeah, it is.
Well
Nice.
done, mate. Wow.
Any dewy special, eh?
What's that?
That's a little dewy. Mulloway.
Little mulloway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at
Beautiful,
that.
beautiful, eh?
Beautiful fish.
Oh, they're stunning. So I think the minimum legal size is 75 centimetres.
75.
Minimum. These guys grow to 50 kilos.
Yeah. I'm on a Facebook group called Sydney Jewfish.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude. Get some monsters, don't
But they spend a lot of hours getting them.
Yeah.
They can sit all night for one big fish, but yeah.
And you got him on worms?
They love worms, eh? They do love worms, yeah.
Lovely. They're good to eat.
They're lovely to eat, yeah. That's a little juvenile. Must be flatty or...
Get him on plastic.
yeah, a little plastic, yeah. Fighting like a flatty.
Looks like a flatty.
Yeah, it is. Decent size too, I think. Oh, let me get this motor out, hook out that way. Away from the side. What is it? Oh, it's silver. Oh, grunter. Decent. Oh, another dewy. Wow. Jeez, eh? They're nearly coming out the hole now. Thanks.
Beautiful.
So cool, isn't it?
Good one.
Another little dewy. Let's get past here and get him out of the net. Thought it was a flatty at first.
Yeah, the way it took off, I thought it must have been a...
Yeah, and the big head shakes.
Yeah.
Beautiful pup.
Oh, yeah. Yep, lovely.
Beautiful. Little Jew baby. Mile away. I reckon that's a grunter. They're smacking it. Yeah, decent.
Flatty.
grunter, I reckon.
Or a brim.
Spotted grunter, I reckon.
Didn't take it like a whiting.
Nah, just grab and go. Not
Run
much.
out of push.
Not a bad size, eh? They get to a decent size, spotted grunter, and they're nice fish. They go hard.
What are they like as an eating fish?
They're good, yeah, they're nice. They're nice fish. Might try have another run before he's done.
When he sees us, he'll probably...
Yeah, he's a nice fish.
There we go. That's a...
Yeah, spotted grunter, yeah. Oh, you're on, Simon.
Oh.
Another one. The grunter on. That means everything else will be on soon.
Oh, Jeff, running away.
Yeah, very sharp.
Grunter, isn't it?
Grunter, yeah. Very sharp gill rakers.
Yeah, how'd you...
I'll just grab them with the rag because they're very spiky, but beautiful looking fish.
Yeah.
And sound like a pig.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
It'd be legal, but I'm not going to keep any of these. I'll keep some whiting. What's Simon got? I think it's going to be...
Simon.
That's alright, he'll come out. Just keep winding.
Can't do anything about that.
It's a low, it's not a deep hole.
Whatever it is, I don't think.
I reckon it's going to be another grunter. There's his mate. Yep. Grunter number 2. Which one's bigger?
Yep. I think mine just
School of piggies. They're having a grunting competition.
Fantastic. That's a good start.
Good start. Yeah, they're lovely fish.
Simon, could you pass the bait bucket up?
2 of them grunting at the same time. They always make me laugh.
I found, we ate those the other night, but I found the skin really tough.
Oh yeah, actually they are a bit, yeah, true, eh?
The flesh is really nice.
Probably should skin them, yeah.
Probably should take the skin.
The flesh is nice, eh?
Oh,
Yeah.
the flesh is delicious.
They're nice fish.
It's almost bloody John Dory quality.
Yeah, it looks good and it tastes good, yeah. They're lovely fish.
That skin's like rubber.
Yeah, that's true. Grab and go. Yeah, just slide that open. And then straight out. Yeah.
We're going off.
Yeah, starting to happen. Turning on.
I've got a fish, so I'll see you later. I've got a fish, bye. Get off the phone.
He always rings just as you're catching it.
As you get the bang, yeah. They always do. Mine I don't even answer, I just text busy.
Oh wow, he's nice fish.
Good fish. Oh, another nice grunter. They're great fish. Another spotted.
It's certainly on now.
Oh yeah, if you were after a big feed, you'd be looking good, yeah. Pepper pig.
That one.
A grunter.
Another grunter.
Yeah. Prolific fish. Upstream. Yeah.
Lovely. Grunter are going off.
The grunter are grunting. They certainly hook themselves well. They don't mess around.
Yeah, well, you certainly struck.
Oh yeah.
Lovely.
All right,
Thank
buddy.
you.
No worries. Got him now, yeah. I love these light rods.
Yeah.
1 to 2 kilo rods. It's so much fun. Hey, going hard. Better fish. Going like a trout.
He's a little...
Oh, nice whiting. There's a fish. How's that for a whiting?
There we go.
That's a real one.
All right.
Jeez, that's a decent whiting.
Yeah.
Look
at that.
Let me take a photo of you with it.
Ooh. Oh, you hold it. You
No,
put it.
no. I'm not that silly.
They're bloody strong fish, eh?
There we go.
There we go.
Screwdriver.
Whoa, that's a good grunter, I think. Geez, they pull hard, don't they?
Hey?
They go so hard.
I do.
What do you reckon it is?
I think grunter.
Yeah, they hit like a steam
They're
train.
like a train.
Yeah.
Absolute train. Hit like mangrove jacks. Great fish.
There he is.
Yeah, not that big. Jeez, he had odd. Maybe use that. That rod holder is probably safer. The other one can twist a bit. Another grunter.
Yeah, there we go. Grunt, grunt, grunt. I reckon they've worked it out. They're saying to themselves, look, these guys are catch and release grunters.
Yeah.
So we'll just eat their baits,
Just go
they'll
for it,
throw us
guys.
back, and we get a bait out of it.
Yeah, that's it. We'll keep getting fresh beach worms.
Yeah.
It's their lucky week, the whole lot of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you for that. Whoa.
He swallowed it, so I'll keep it. Kick. Game little fish, eh?
Wow.
They're on.
Yeah, some decent size coming up.
He hadn't really swallowed it. I was just winding in to check the bait. Little spotted grunter.
Another grunter.
Yep. Plenty around.
Oh, grunters are going off.
They're going off. School of them coming through, eh? Fish on.
Fish on.
Bring the net. Oh, good fish. Yeah, follow him around. Oh, he's coming now. Simon, that's alright. Just go. Nice and gentle. Don't force him. Take your time.
I think it's another grunter.
I think so.
By the way it's fighting and the way.
Let me just see where he
Go
is.
around the
Yeah.
back of the boat.
Yeah, he's gone right around the motor. Oh, he's out now.
Hey?
He's out now. He came back out.
Oh, good.
Yeah. He came back that way. They fight hard, don't they? Oh, what is that? That's a huge whiting.
Jeez, look at that.
Jesus.
My God.
Whoa. That's a horse. The horses have arrived.
Wow.
Look at that.
That is a serious whiting.
That's a stonker, eh? You have to get a photo of that.
Serious fish.
Just watch his gills. The gills can be a little bit sharp on these, but yeah, a little bit higher up so it
Yeah.
doesn't slip out of your grip. Hold them up there. Yeah. Let me get a photo.
That is a.
He was fighting like a big grunter.
Ow. He was fighting.
Yeah.
Didn't pick up, did you?
No, not at all. Look at that horse. He looks huge.
He's a big whiting.
Measure that. I guess it'll be in the high 30s, I reckon.
You'll
your
be
way.
keeping him.
That's right. Oh yeah. It's just about.
37, 38?
Yeah,
What
I'm
is
not
it?
quite on the tip yet. 38s,
38.
nearly. Call them
38.
38s, yeah. Not far off the magic 40.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
Beautiful fish. Yeah, 38s and a 35. Oh, jeez, this is a good one.
Beautiful. Oh, you got another one.
Yeah, hit like a little train.
Yeah. So it'd be a grunter.
Getting right amongst
We
it.
think so, but the way that nice big whiting hit. You can always, nah, I reckon grunter, he's come up close to the surface. The whitings stay lower usually, but could be wrong. Ooh, nice fish. Yeah, another nice spot. I always think they're little dewies at first.
Yeah.
No bull sharks.
No bullshark, please, yes. Oh, I want to have one and see that do that.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one.
Yeah, nice grunter.
That's a nice grunter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
I should
plate size.
I should keep one to eat. Let a few go. Ready? It's a nice fish.
Yep.
No, I'll let them go. It's
Yep.
early in the season.
Yeah.
They get fatter and they start spawning. They're quite skinny at this stage, but yeah, great fish.
Yeah.
Not a brim would be nice.
A big whiting would be nice.
Yes. Is he staying lower? He's going down. That's what the whiting do.
No fish. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's a grunter, is it? Another nice grunter.
Another grunter.
Jeez, a lot of them. A lot of them, and they're not bad size.
Hmm.
They're solid, chunky things.
You
Heavy.
like one, didn't you, Simon?
Yeah, the flesh is beautiful.
Yeah, the skin's a bit tough,
The
yeah.
skin's like rubber though.
Yeah.
No, you can't cut through it.
He's got a lot to say, isn't he?
Yeah, hence the name.
Yeah.
They have a great big impression, don't they? They do.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Great fish. Going hard, eh? You on again? Oh,
Oh, I've lost him.
oh, that's alright. The other one's gonna go. As long as we saw what it was. Oh, yeah, that's
Double
nice.
hookup.
Yeah. I'll just leave the camera rolling.
I think it's grunter season.
Oh, whiting. I knew there'd be one
Lovely whiting.
any minute now. Yeah, nice size. Beautiful.
Beautiful. They're going off.
Yep, this is that bite time, eh? Go, 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 go. Yep, fish on.
Yep.
Got him.
Very strong.
Oh, might be a whiting or nothing. All coming towards you.
It's a fish.
Yeah, he's just cruising towards you. He'll get more panicky when he comes close and sees the boat.
Yep.
Whiting, I reckon. Yeah, it's actually not a bad whiting. He just wasn't fighting much. Oh, he's just swimming towards you. But
What's that one?
whiting,
Whiting.
not bad.
Yeah.
He didn't fight much at all
No.
for a whiting. No, he is. All too late.
Oh, oh.
Definite grunter, I reckon.
Yep, yep.
Odds on grunter.
Yep, I got him on this one.
There you go.
Want to give you that?
Yeah. Check that hook still on there. You get schools of grunter, don't you?
Yep.
No, he just pulled the hook. Just wasn't well hooked.
Yeah.
Happens.
It was on.
Yeah.
Solidly,
Yeah. Don't normally lose them. Probably get a few grunter now, then a few more whiting. That's usually what happens. Oh, nice whiting.
Yeah, that's nice.
That was an aggressive hit too.
That might almost be as big as mine.
No, not quite.
I don't think many could get it.
Yeah, it'd be hard to beat today.
Yeah, no. Yeah, they're good size.
Yeah, they're chunky. Swallowed it.
No, he's nowhere near as big.
Fish on. Grab that net.
Big fish. Mind you, it could just be bloody brim.
Could be the way it took. Straight on. Grab and go.
Brim can fight quite well when they want to.
Oh yeah, grunter I think. Better than a brim. Got a lot of nice grunter around.
Yeah, there are.
Yeah. Heaps of them.
There you go.
And definitely still a lot around because we've been
Good
letting them all
one.
go. Yeah, nice grunter. Oh, is that right?
Well, we know we've got a grunter.
Yeah. No doubt what they are. Yeah. Another piranha. No warning, just bang. Picks it up and let's go.
Wow, do they ever?
Yeah.
Hit it.
Oh, double hook up.
Off again, double hook up.
Double hook up.
Yeah, we need a triple now.
Yeah, surprised it hasn't happened yet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, you're putting up a
When
good
they
fight.
when they got another kick like that, that's a good size. But what have you got?
Chicken.
Bin chicken. This is not a bin chicken, that's for sure. Definite grunt.
Cross a bit at that line.
They do go across a.
Yeah, across that line.
They
I
do.
don't know how he's going to get past that.
I'll drop it down. Is it under it, is it? Over it?
Yep, there we go.
Oh yeah, another nice grunter. Yeah, nice fish.
Come on, mister.
Come on, buddy. Yeah.
God, we be.
They haven't been swallowing it, they've just been picking it up and
And then just charging.
charging, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. very vocal too.
Yeah, very fun.
And you can imagine how much they talk to each other underwater.
Yeah, don't go near that boat.
Can't help it.
Yeah.
Take it.
Oh no, I've got him.
Got him? Bit of a lazy brim-like bite, wasn't it? But we'll see. Could be a lazy whiting bite.
But it was more like a whiting.
Yeah, what actually it was, eh? Yeah. Kicking a bit. He's already near the surface. So.
Yeah,
Oh
really.
yeah. There's a
I
whiting.
think you've foul hooked him as well.
Yeah.
Got him in the side.
There's an art to that.
Simon's mastered it. 2 fish foul hooked in a row, Simon. Well done. 2 fish foul hooked in a row.
Yeah, true, eh? He's not bad. Still chunky.
Never mind.
Yeah, any which way.
Doesn't matter how you catch him.
That's it. Oh, this one's on.
Simon, can you take the rod?
Simon's side, yep. Got it there. Come that side with another net. Let 2 nets come in handy.
Double hook up.
Double hookup all of a sudden. Totally apart. He's going alright too. He's fighting nicely. I bet it's a whiting. No, wrong. As soon as I try to call it.
Chicken.
Yep. Just fighting well for a brim. Oh well, bit of action at least. Back on the tube. These things too can slash your hands open if you're not careful. Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's painful.
Yeah, that's happened a few times.
Oh yeah, a good feeling. Our bending rod. Back on. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. See what this is. Looks like a whiting shape.
Small white.
Yeah, nice whiting. Good
I
quality.
suddenly realised.
Yeah, that's it. They see the
Trouble
boat.
it's in. Oh.
Yeah.
There we go.
Going along for the ride, and then
Yeah.
they're like, "Oh!"
Someone landed right on its
He
nose.
literally swallowed it
He
straight
swallowed
away.
it while it was going down.